Today we're going to make a Christmas cocktail for you. It's called the Home for the Holidays. If you like bone dry drinks, this drink might be for you. Otherwise, just watch it for the stats for nerds. That's it.
Mary Moon might like this one.
Who? Welcome to Comment Cocktails. Ian and Derek, I almost called myself Dan, is going to make for you the Home for the Holidays. This is a Christmas cocktail.
Don't know what's worse. You call me Dan or you calling you Dan?
I don't know. I think it's worse if I call myself Dan, because I should know my own self's name.
It has 520 views, good sir.
520 views on our highlight video. Why aren't you watching our highlight video for the 2019 season?
Egg in here?
No. Fuck. It should go in the bag that's not there. Yeah, just throw it in there. This is called Home for the Holidays. This is our Christmas episode because we didn't get to make any episodes for, they're over there, this season, or you can use that, because we missed all of November, and then December all of a sudden got away from us, so here we are, really close to Christmas, doing an entire December and January release. The December video, right here, is going to be this. 2 ounces of gin, 3/4 of an ounce of fresh lemon juice, 3/4 of an ounce of cranberry juice, 4 dashes of angostura, egg white. We're going to do a dry shake, no ice, remember this time. And
how
then
dry shakes work.
Yep, well, except
It's
for
not a
when we
reverse
fuck
dry
up.
shake.
And then we're going to put it in a chilled coupe, which is chilling right here. And that's it. I did have stuff to say, though.
Okay, good, because you do that while I do this. That's our formula, right?
That is a formula. Well, I just gave us a formula. But this was created by Lauren Hubbard and Sam Dangramon. I don't know. It was submitted by John Spikes. Our executive producer for this episode, right down here, for our holiday episode, is Stephen Foisey, or is it Stefan Foisey?
It's Steven.
He is. Don't. Does that mean it's bad? Let's taste this. Hold on.
I think it's sugar.
Oh yeah.
That's what I'm telling myself anyway.
It tastes fine.
Find out tomorrow.
Doesn't go bad.
Our executive producer
I'll show you the cap later.
for 11 months, YouTube member. He clicked the join button, which people in the United States do. If you're in Germany, for instance, or any other areas, you could just send us money. It's at commentcocktails.com/donate.
Do you have a clove?
Of course I have a clove. I saw that. You need a whole clove, right?
Yeah.
Dude, all this shit, this is like a real bar right here. You want some nutmeg too?
Doesn't call for it, but we'll throw it in.
Sure. It's nothing like Christmas if it doesn't have nutmeg.
Garnish with the whole clove. Just gonna float that shit right on top. A dry shake. That's what he's doing. Here, there's no ice in there because what he's basically doing is making a fucking mess, which he said he wasn't gonna do, but he used his technicality and said he wasn't gonna drop the eggs, which he technically did not. He just dropped the whole mixture of cocktail on the bar mat I just cleaned like an hour ago.
And you know, well, it's because it's been sitting there for 2 months. You know I'm all about technicalities.
Now you add ice after that aggressive shake, and that's going to give you a shitload, we hope, of foam so that our drink comes out foamy as
Hate when it does
F.
that.
Sometimes they stick pretty good.
Yeah.
Sometimes.
It's because the shake is amazing.
Must be.
I should probably check to see if we have a little bottle of champagne so I don't have to open a big one, but I see a bottle of champagne in there. That's a big one.
Let's get champagne in it? What are you talking
No,
about?
I'm thinking ahead.
Okay, good for life.
Next
Good.
drink. Next drink
That
is for,
definitely-
you know, that, what do they call that season?
Christmas?
No, what comes after that?
Oh, it
Yours?
looks better creamy. When it starts to clear, it looks kind of gross.
Okay, good. You can drink it last
Okay.
then.
Good.
I'll still drink it.
That's the smallest fucking garnish. Here, I'll throw it out here for you guys.
That's
to see.
delicate and elegant. What do you want? An elephant on there?
I don't know.
All right.
I felt like it was a little small. So.
DJ's on break from class. Welcome back, DJ.
Home for the holidays. Cocktail.
Okay, I'm like, what the hell are you doing? Okay, I'm gonna drink this. We got a picture?
Stop talking. Yeah, I get a picture.
Yep.
Okay.
You can talk now. I just didn't feel like typing.
This
on
looks
camera.
classy. This looks like a New Year's drink, doesn't it?
It does.
Yeah.
It's not New Year's. That's this next drink.
I'm saying it looks like it could be a New Year's drink.
But it's home
Because
for the
it's
holidays.
foamy, it's a coupe glass.
I guess you're home for the holidays for New Year's too, right?
What'd you say, Jen?
It's sexy.
Oh. I was gonna say thank you, but yeah, it is.
That's why I got this. This is what do we call this thing?
Toilet brush.
My toilet brush Christmas tree.
Yes, it is.
This is
It's
what
been
we
used
do.
a little bit.
This is our move.
Yeah.
This has been. I've had this since like the first season of.
It makes
videos.
its way out every year, doesn't it?
Yeah. This is my 11th year doing
Give
this.
yourself a mouthful.
11th year.
Or a little, not a full.
Why are you out of breath? You haven't done anything yet.
I'm out of shape. I'm just always out of breath nowadays. If I walk across the building at work too fast, I gotta catch my breath before I start the conversation I wanted to have. It is what it is.
You're like, give me a second.
We had a contractor in the other day, and I was outpacing him, and I thought he was gonna have a heart attack at some point.
Oh my
Oh,
god.
is he one of those guys?
Yeah. Well, I think he had a chest cold as well. So I mean, in his defense, yeah.
Yeah.
I'm not trying to make fun
That
of
guy
good
with
guy.
little chest cold.
I was fatter than he is, though. So
No. Well, good. I've actually just been out of shape.
I think it was just
Yeah,
chest cold.
This is dry.
Very dry. That's why I wanted you to put it in your face.
I need a water stat.
It's December. Here, let me put some bitters in there. In your mouth, I mean.
Yeah.
Um,
I'm home for the holidays, but I'm fucking thirsty.
very, very dry.
Was that good pull quote right there?
One more reason that it's a good New Year's drink, because like you toast with champagne, you could toast with this.
Yeah,
Because
but-
they're both.
No, this
Champagne
is drier
can be-
than champagne.
So I mean, it depends on your champagne, but
I don't know. I've never had champagne that was drier than that.
No?
You know, the egg white doesn't help in the
I think you need
dryness
to be a little more
because
cultured. Maybe you'd probably get a little bit wider experience in your champagne tasting.
probably some truth to that. I'm not a massive. You think you're gonna draw in foam without any angostura? So it's got a dry,
Yeah, it's
almost.
not looking that great.
Is that supposed to be? Oh, DS Heart A I A. I could fucking fucked it up.
Yep, you did. That wasn't it at all. Next time. Hey, don't stop believing, buddy.
So the lemon comes through because it's dry,
That
so you
was
get a lot of
totally
lemon forward.
springboard accidental. Okay, fix that.
What?
You talk.
You're
What?
good. You don't need to leave the set, Ian.
You left the set because you dropped. We've dropped like.
Jen, give me shit.
Didn't we drop something big once down there and you were fine with it?
Yeah, but this is the first drop, and I'm not going to establish precedent.
First drop since what? The last time?
Since I got here tonight.
I don't know, man. It's got a nice allspice and citrus flavor.
I'm not totally sold on it because I don't care for the dryness of it.
It's really dry. Like if you don't like sugar in your cocktails, this is for you. But
Boy, is it.
a cranberry juice cocktail brings some sugar to it because it's got.
But it's also a dry drink
cocktail.
itself.
Yeah, cranberry.
It's using a dry gin with bitters, lemon,
And-
egg white,
Yeah.
and the driest of most fruit juices that you
Every
can get.
component of that
Besides
is dry.
palm.
Egg white dries
Yeah.
out drinks.
Bone dry.
Yeah. Cranberry
Like-
juice dries out drinks. Mango
Yeah.
dries out drinks.
So this is probably good for somebody, but that somebody
It's like a-
isn't me for the holidays.
It's like a desert cocktail.
Yeah. Like if you drank this, you'd be dead.
Desert in your mouth.
Steven may like it. He doesn't like sweet.
Yeah, he doesn't like sweet. If you don't like sweet cocktails, this is not, and it's not a complicated drink to make. I mean, we're talking about Angostura bitters.
No.
The most. Do we high five for these? Oh my fuck! Hold on. Oh god. Here we go.
Okay.
Oh Jesus! You waited for.
You
a
were
long
like
time.
here before I was
Yeah,
even
you're-
like,
you're-
I'm like, okay,
it's like,
he's found my
oh,
kryptonite.
You're really out of shape. You're like taking forever.
It tastes watered down because it's so dry.
I thought the same thing, but you know what? The interesting thing is the gin still comes through. We were having this conversation about the botanist coming through in a different
Yeah.
type of cocktail with juices and stuff. The gin definitely still makes a play. It's just you taste gin, and then you're like, I want to curl up into a ball and try to find a pool somewhere. To
You turn
jump
into
into.
an old person immediately because you're get off my lawn, kids.
Yeah. It's just weird. So this might be. This isn't necessarily a bad drink. It's just not a me drink. I like a little bit of sugar. When I think of holidays, I think of like
Richness.
fatty foods, spices, cinnamons. We do have a drink later on that's got allspice. This might be the next drink. No, it's probably the one after that. That fits winter, but
Okay.
like this, I don't know. It's just not my holiday. I wouldn't sit down and sip one of these while watching. What's the movie we watch?
It's a Wonderful
It's a
Life.
Wonderful Life.
Ah,
Like
good
I love that movie.
Great movie.
that's not the way I would roll with this specific drink, but other people may roll differently.
Steven said you must choose
Rounder.
between this drink or Negroni.
Okay. If I had to think, about this for a second.
I mean, even you, Derek, come on.
I would probably go with the Negroni. Because the Negroni's actually got more sweetness than
It's
this.
got more sweetness. It's got more flavor.
Yeah.
It's got.
And it will grow on you over time.
It does grow.
This hurts every time I sip
fungus.
Good fungus.
Not quite like a fungus.
Lichen.
Maybe more like a lichen. Like a lichen. Yeah, that just happened.
It's pretty good.
So this video. So you can use the coupon code 11 years on AwesomeDrinks.com until the January 31st. And there is a 31st of January, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Then my numbers
You
are
know how
right.
to do it? So if you use your knuckles and you say every time you hit a knuckle, it's 31 days, and every time you don't hit a knuckle, it's 30.
30 days
or
in
less.
September, April,
So you
June,
go
and November.
January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. And any knuckle has 31 days in it.
Yeah, but you did this one twice.
Exactly.
So you have to remember that rule.
Anyway, you were wrapping this up.
I was never
We're so close.
We were so close.
No. All right. Fine. My producers tell me you got to say. Sidebar, more videos. Don't forget to watch our 2019 blooper video and highlight reel, whatever you want to call it. It's funny, and it took me longer to edit that than pretty much anything else. Plus, you'll get to see Ian pull his pants down, and then later on in the cuts, see him make a blowjob joke against Dan. It was pretty funny.
Was it?
Yeah.
I don't remember that.
Down,
I gotta watch this shit.
Yeah.
Sounds funny.
down below, Osprey Bartender Starter Kit. That's it. Merry Christmas, because we're teaching you how to drink.